Hello YouTube friends and families. Today is Friday morning here in California. It's the weekend of Mother's Day. So what day it is, like, okay, May 9. Yes, 2025. And my husband is mowing right now. Before we take off, he decided to mow first so that our pets are happy. Norman and Scruffy. Every time na magmumow ng lawn yung asawa ko, laging si Norman, very dramatic king pagka ganyan kasi ayaw niya ng ingay ng mower, ayaw din niya ng ingay ng blower at ng weed eater. Kaya ganyan siya yung niya ngayon, yung mood. Dramatic and sensitive. And after an hour, we took off and now we're heading to the boat for our weekend boatcation.
That'd be funny. The local guy is good, right? So we're on the boat. The first mate. I work land home. Likes it that way. Right.
Because my husband is such a fish.
What about scallops for my mom?
Ayan, yung asawa ko. Pupunta na sa J&D building. Hindi na ako sumama. Sinamahan ko na lang si Scrappy dito sa car. At napakaginaw din kasi dun sa loob dahil sa freezer para sa mga seafoods. Kukuha lang siya ng tilapia. Nag-request ako ng tilapia. Tapos shrimps, panggisa. Tapos bibili din siyang scallops para lutuin bukas para sa Mother's Day ng kanyang mommy. Mahilig kasi yun sa scallops. Tapos yun lang guys. Hintayin namin siya dito. Eto na nga. So naisipan kong gamitin yung microphone ko pero hindi pala naka-on kaya useless din. Eto, nag-voice over din ako. Ayan. Naghihintay kami sa asawa ko. Nandun siya sa loob ng J&D Fish Market. Ito yung view dito sa labas. Kasama ko si Scruffy. At sobrang chill siya. Medyo warm today yung weather kaya ganyan siya nagpapant. Pero okay siya. Way nila yun para mag-release ng heat sa kanilang katawan. Mag-cool off. Ayun, ganon. So, ayan na yung asawa ko. Malapit na siyang lumabas sa store. So, ito na nga yung asawa ko. Bumili siya ng tilapia, shrimps, scallops para sa Mother's Day. At ano pa ba yung binili niya? White fish na fillet na ready to cook. Nag-crave kasi ko ng crispy fried tilapia. Kaya ayan, nagpabili ko ng tilapia sa asawa ko. Tapos yung shrimps naman, bala ko yung isahog sa pansit. Gagawa ako ng shrimps and tofu pansit. Okay, so we went back to J&D Fish Market building because our friend wants some salmon belly and swine fish since he cannot make it on time to get to this place because this place closed at 11 already, 10:30. Alright. Off to A1 Deli.
Oh,
What?
film me. Fish sauce, man.
Squid sauce.
Oh.
Sixth Street, Italian District. We're at A1 Deli. Get a sandwich. Of course, I have to stay with my scruffy. Gonna wait here with my scruffy-licious. Lighthouse Church. It's rock, 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 rock. Okay, this is the Dizzy ride.
Whoops.
Oh,
Only.
oh gosh. You want a breast? Are we gonna watch it? You want a band? That's Norman's song.
Wow, that'd be neat to go see.
Yeah, you should see it.
Look it up.
Doggy.
I know. Huh?
Oh, you.
Largest injury law firm. We fight for you, making sure big insurance, $25 billion for coverage. We're the home run hitters you need. Morgan & Morgan, forthepeople.com. Morgan & Morgan is responsible for the
There you go, son. Okay, so we made it to the marina and we're parked right now. I'm already geared up for the boating because it's kind of warm today, hot. And we gotta walk down to the dock. It's there. We just paid our boat slip and renew our parking permit. And Scrappy and I are waiting here and we're gonna get off any minute. So ayan, eto at tulak-tulak ko na yung aming mga kargada para sa weekend vacation na ito. At wala lang, naisipan ko lang na ipa-film sa asawa ko habang pinupush ko yung cart na yan kasama si Scrappy. Super windy today. At itong buong weekend na to, grabe talaga yung wind.
How clear the water is. He's doing bottom paint. You noticed. Yeah. 6 months ago. I know. I want to remove the plastic now because if it gets old and deteriorated, you can't get it off. Yeah. Keep pushing. You're halfway through.
Maligayang pagdating sa bangka. Maligayang pagdating sa bangka. That is so Tagalog. You're just gonna start handing things to me?
Yeah. Looks like it was washed.
Okay, dito na tayo sa boat. Crappy, ready na. Mag-unload pa ako ng mga or magpapasok pa tayo ng ating mga kargado dito sa boat. Okay guys. But, first of all, buksan natin itong vent for fresh air. Ayan. Look guys. Look at the view. Where's my husband? Let's try this. My husband, he's gone. Oh, he's still out there. Okay. Hi, Clappy! Lagay natin sa freezer yung ating mga seafoods. Yung freezer namin dito sa boat. Ayan. Ayan sa lalagay. Kaya magkasya kayo, mga kababayan ko. Tilapia, ayun na. Ating shrimps. Swine fish. Fresh na yan guys. Last one, yung scallops, frozen pa din. Kaya safe na safe, tamang-tama. Tamang-tama yung timing natin ng pag-uwi. Hindi kasi ako nagdala ng cooler. Kalimutan ko. Time for lunch, kaya gumawa yung husband ko ng sandwich na binili namin yung ingredients na andun sa A1 Deli. Instead of buying the sandwich, we decided to make our own sandwich. And we saved a lot of money and it was delicious. Ako lang pakita sa inyo guys yung view. Napakaganda ng weather today. Siyempre windy kasi lagi namang windy or mahangin dito. Pero nakikita nyo ba yung all that? The coastal eddy. Yung division ng cloud at ng fog. Yung coastal eddy yung tawag dun. Ganda ng red canvas na sailboat. Ganda. Ang ganda dito guys today. Kasi sa area namin ay 90 degree today. Tapos dito 80 plus 1. 80 plus ang temperature. Talagang napaka-perfect. Usually, naka-jacket dapat kami. Pero ngayon, kung mag-jacket ka man, yung light na fabric na jacket. Yun lang guys, share ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung weather dito today sa San Pedro, California. Yan. So, kung kayo ay nasa area lang, mag-hi kayo sa amin guys. Sa mga Filipino dito sa San Pedro, California. I wonder what's going on. There's like 3 helicopters. 3 helicopters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't know what's going on right now. Something's happening on the freeway, that's for sure. Anyways, we'll find out later. Yeah, it's my husband. Yeah, I'm still looking at these 3 helicopters. Don't know what's going on there. Yes, we'll find out later. I wasn't tuned in on the news thing. What is going on? Habang hinihintay nga namin si Blessing Bill para pick upin yung kanyang isda na pinabili sa amin ay nag-wonder kami ng asawa ko kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon ng accident sa freeway kasi meron 3 helicopters na lipad ng lipad.